What if I told you that the perfect SUV for your golden years isn't what you think it is? Forget everything you know about senior-friendly cars being boring, slow, or stripped of features. Today, we're diving into 7 SUVs that prove you don't have to sacrifice performance, style, or driving excitement just because you want comfort, safety, and ease of access. Whether you're shopping for yourself, a parent, or just curious about what makes an SUV truly senior-friendly, stick around. Because number 3 on this list might just surprise you. It's got more horsepower than most sports cars. We're evaluating these vehicles on 5 key criteria. First, accessibility. Second, visibility. Third, safety technology. Fourth, comfort and ergonomics. And finally, reliability. Because nobody wants to spend their retirement at the service center. Number 7, Subaru Forester. Now, I know what you're thinking. Really? The Forester? But hear me out. This SUV absolutely nails the fundamentals. The Forester sits at the perfect height, not too high like a truck, not too low like a car. The doors open wide, and that flat floor makes stepping in effortless. Inside, you get Subaru's legendary visibility thanks to those large windows and thin pillars. You can actually see where you're going. Standard all-wheel drive means confidence in any weather, and eyesight safety tech comes standard with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keep assist. The interior is straightforward. No confusing touchscreens or buried menu systems. Everything just works. Number 6, Honda CR-V. Number 6 is the Honda CR-V, America's best-selling SUV for good reason. Honda has mastered the art of making vehicles that just make sense. The CR-V offers excellent step-in height and those wide-opening doors we love to see. The seats are supportive without being too firm, and the driving position gives you that commanding view of the road. Honda Sensing Safety Suite is standard, giving you collision mitigation, road departure mitigation, and adaptive cruise control. What really sets the CR-V apart is its practicality. The cargo area is huge and sits low, making loading groceries or luggage much easier. The infotainment system, while not perfect, is more intuitive than most. And Honda's reputation for reliability, that's worth its weight in gold. The 1.5 turbo engine provides adequate power while returning excellent fuel economy. It's not thrilling, but it gets the job done efficiently. Number 5, Mazda CX-5. At number 5, we have the Mazda CX-5, and this is where things get interesting. Mazda proves that senior-friendly doesn't have to mean boring. The CX-5 offers that perfect seating height and excellent visibility we're looking for, but it wraps it in one of the most premium interiors in the class. The materials feel expensive, the controls are intuitive, and the seats provide excellent support for longer drives. This SUV actually loves to be driven. The steering is precise, the chassis is well balanced, and the available turbo engine provides genuine performance. It's proof that you can have your cake and eat it too. The only real downside is a slightly smaller cargo area compared to others on this list, but the driving experience more than makes up for it. Number 4, Toyota Highlander. Number 4 is the Toyota Highlander. And this one's perfect if you need space for the grandkids or just want that extra room. The Highlander offers easy access with its well-designed step-in height and grab handles. The second row is particularly impressive. These seats slide and recline, making them perfect for passengers of any age. Even the third row is usable for shorter trips. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 comes standard with all the expected features plus full-speed dynamic radar cruise control. The V6 engine provides smooth, confident power, and the 8-speed automatic is well calibrated for both efficiency and performance. The trade-off is size. It's larger than some might want for daily driving, and fuel economy suffers slightly compared to smaller SUVs. Number 3, Genesis GV70. Here's number 3, and I promised you'd be surprised, the Genesis GV70. This luxury SUV proves that senior-friendly can also mean seriously fast. The GV70 offers world-class comfort with seats that feel like luxury recliners. The cabin is whisper quiet, and the ride quality is sublime. Getting in and out is effortless thanks to perfectly positioned seats and wide door openings. But here's the shocker. The available twin-turbo V6 pumps out 375 horsepower. This SUV will embarrass sports cars at red lights while coddling you in luxury. The all-wheel drive system is brilliant. Safety tech is comprehensive with forward collision avoidance, blind spot collision avoidance, and highway driving assist. Number 2, BMW X3. Number 2 is the BMW X3, because sometimes you want German engineering and the ultimate driving machine experience. The X3 nails the accessibility factor with its ideal seating height and supportive seats. The interior is beautifully crafted with logical controls and BMW's excellent iDrive infotainment system. The driving position is perfect, giving you great visibility in all directions. What sets the X3 apart is how it drives. This SUV handles like a sedan, but rides like a luxury car. The available inline-6 engine is smooth and powerful. BMW's safety tech is comprehensive, including active driving assistant, frontal collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. The X3 proves that you don't have to give up driving excitement as you get older. It's engaging when you want it to be, but comfortable and refined when you don't. The main drawbacks are higher maintenance costs and the need for premium fuel, but the driving experience is worth it for many. Number 1, Lexus RX. And our number 1 choice is the Lexus RX. This SUV has been the gold standard for luxury crossovers for good reason. The RX offers effortless entry and exit with perfectly positioned seats and helpful grab handles. The interior is a masterclass in luxury and ergonomics, with controls that fall naturally to hand. The seats are some of the most comfortable in any vehicle, perfect for long drives. Lexus Safety System Plus 2.0 is standard, providing comprehensive protection with features like pre-collision system, all-speed dynamic radar cruise control, and lane tracing assist. The hybrid powertrain is smooth and efficient, while the ride quality is supremely comfortable. Road noise is virtually non-existent, making every drive peaceful and relaxing. But here's what really sets the RX apart: Lexus reliability. This SUV will run for decades with minimal issues, and the dealer service experience is consistently excellent. When you buy an RX, you're buying confidence. So there you have it. 7 SUVs that prove getting older doesn't mean giving up on great vehicles. Whether you prioritize reliability like the Lexus RX, driving dynamics like the BMW X3, or surprising performance like the Genesis GV70, there's something here for every type of car enthusiast. What did you think of our list? Did your favorite make the cut, or do you think we missed an obvious choice? Let me know in the comments below, and if this video helped you in your SUV search, hit that like button and subscribe for more car content that cuts through the noise. Next week, we're diving into the best luxury sedans that are actually worth your money in 2025, so make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss it.